problem around the bay. There are a couple of hot spots. There's the Dog River, and then there's sort of Fairhope and Daphne is known to be contaminated for a long time. But it's a very complicated business, but mostly it seems to be just local stormwater. You know, in fact, that water falls on the land and winds up down in the bay. Moves, soil, beer cans, you know,
yeah, I've seen the videos of Dog River.
And bacteria down there. Now the impact, as far as we can tell by the preliminary look-see, is the bay is not contaminating Fairhope's beaches, but Fairhope is contaminating its beaches. It's a local problem. If you go out beyond 1,000 feet or something, the water out there is in good shape all around us. You know, so it's just a local issue. So the impact on the bay overall would have, you know, of course, silt and very fine materials that you can see going out of Fly Creek that are kind of heavy rain or something. That is impacting up and down the shoreline. But this pollution problem is mostly just affecting local fishermen, local swimmers, local waders, and all that sort of thing. So it seems to be that what we're really focusing on is our own local problem. Now, I think we would be setting a very good example for other local governments and property owners and so on and so forth by moving forward on this. We show them how to deal with this kind of stuff. So that's a good thing.
Wrap this up is that we'll look at hiring possibly an engineer to oversee this process so that we make sure that we do it methodically and in the right direction, and that there is a hierarchy to this process so that not everybody's got a piece. It goes to one entity.
Yeah, and I think the other thing I heard too was that the report that we got from H2M Hill should be forwarded in some fashion to ADEM and Health Department and officially ask them for some feedback.
And Gary, you going to take care of that? You know the people, right? Personally.
Okay. I'll get the Environmental Advisory Board.
Yeah. Okay. All right, and I'll get with David about Dr. Wade's thing to see why it's not included in here, and then talk to him about those couple of issues that we found in here that he needs to clarify. All right, is that it? Anybody else?